Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my top 5 from the Dr. Sheth's which I have loved in 2024. Consider this my best of 2024 for Dr. Sheth's. If you want me to create similar videos for other brands as well, let me know in the comment section. I would happy to do that. Now let's dive right in, but before that, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. So this year Dr. Sheth's has come up with many new launches. Some of them has worked really well on my skin, but out of those, if I have to tell you top 5, though it's very difficult, but still we will do it. Very first product which I have absolutely loved from them is this ceramide and 10% vitamin C ampule serum. Why I love it so much? Because this one is perfect for super sensitive skin and got 99% pure vitamin C, along with ceramide which will repair your skin, hyaluronic acid will hydrate your skin, and heart leaf extract which will soothe your sensitive, irritated and acne prone skin, along with the propolis extract which will provide you slight glow on your face. Beautiful vitamin C serum. If you have been looking for a perfect vitamin C serum for your very sensitive skin, this one is for you. Second best of this year from Dr. Sheth's is this Kesar and Kojic acid underarm roll on. This got 6% of active ingredients. It helps to control odor, sweat and also helps to fade away your pigmentation. Now what is best about this one is that इसके अंदर AHAs डले हुए हैं, but still it won't irritate your sensitive skin. Because अभी तक जितने भी मैंने AHA based underarm roll on try करे हैं, after shave वो बहुत ज़्यादा burn करते हैं, but this was the only underarm roll on with AHA जो बिल्कुल भी irritate नहीं करता है अगर आपने आफ्टर शेव इसको अप्लाई करा है. But the one thing which you have to keep in mind when you using this one कि आपको इसको ड्राई स्किन पे लगाना है and let your skin completely dry before you wear clothes. Then you will see कि आपको ये long lasting effects देगा और आपको बिल्कुल भी odor का issue नहीं आएगा. And eventually when you will be using it continuously for 2 to 3 months, you will see reduction in your pigmentation as well. You will see कि आपके जो अंडर आर्म्स हैं वो ब्राइटन हो गए हैं. Now एक चीज़ मैंने इसके रिव्यू में भी आपको बोली थी कि अगर आपका जेनेटिकली कुछ इशू हो रहा है या हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस की वजह से हो रहा है, देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि हाँ ये उस पर काम करेगा. अगर आपको प्रेगनेंसी की वजह से पिगमेंटेशन आया है तो उस पर कोई भी इस तरह के रोल ऑन काम नहीं करेंगे और वो जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो इवेंचुअली अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगी वंस यू डिलीवर योर बेबी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. बट अगर आपका प्रेगनेंसी रिलेटेड पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. नाउ दिस थर्ड वन इज नॉट अ डिस्कवरी ऑफ 2024 and it's not a new launch of 2024, but I have used in 2023 as well and I have absolutely loved in 2024 as well, and I have purchased it again this year. This is mulberry and mandelic acid peel. Such a beautiful formulation. 10% of mandelic acid है which is great for your comedons, great for your acne. 2% niacinamide है, hyaluronic acid है, mulberry का extract है, papaya का extract है. Such a beautiful combination of the ingredients, and this one works amazingly on your comedons. It's very gentle yet very effective. Beautiful gel like texture. You have to apply it for 5 to 7 minutes and then you have to wash it off. The only hiccup of this one is that the packaging, because ये थोड़ा thick texture में है तो ऐसे dropper से थोड़ा निकलना मुश्किल होता है and then आपको ऐसे करके इसको निकालना पड़ता है. I have gave my feedback to the brand कि come up with a pump or either a tube packaging, then it will be perfect. If you're a person who's facing comedons and acne marks, try this one out, you won't disappoint. That's a weekly exfoliation. Now if you want something for your daily use, then this year they have come up with this neem and 2% salicylic acid ampule serum. Now this got 2% of salicylic acid along with 2% of niacinamide and 2% of bamboo water plus 1% of neem. So ये जो combination है, it's perfect for your acne and you can use it on a daily basis. मैंने जब इसको use किया था, मैंने इसको daily रात की routine में use किया था and this has worked really well. And this one is specifically for those who are very sensitive skin, because इसके अंदर जो salicylic acid use हुआ है that is एनकैप्सुलेटेड। सो क्या करता है, वो डायरेक्ट स्किन पे कांटेक्ट नहीं करेगा, वो अंदर स्किन में जाके उसको रिलीज करता है। सो अगर आपका स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है तो ये आपके फेस पे रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट है ही नहीं स्किन के साथ। ये स्किन के अंदर डीप जाके सैलिसिलिक एसिड के मॉलिक्यूल को छोड़ता है, तो वहीं जाके वो इफेक्टिवली काम करता है। सो इट्स वेरी वेरी जेंटल येट वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिव। सो इफ यू आर अ सुपर सेंसिटिव स्किन जिसपे सैलिसिलिक एसिड बेस्ड सेरम्स नहीं सूट करते हैं, try this one out, you won't gonna regret. Lastly, वैसे तो दो और हैं which I really wanted to show in this video, but let's keep it for best of 2024 वाला video. But this one I couldn't resist myself to show because ये इस साल मैंने बहुत सारे empties करे हैं, and this is the ceramide and vitamin C face wash. You can see how many empties I have with me. Such an amazing formulation and such an amazing face wash. I couldn't find a replacement for this face wash even this year, and this stand out the best in 2024 as well. Got ceramide, got 1% of vitamin C and glycerin. Formulation is such that it's a creamy formula, gives you that super clean or I would say squeaky clean feel without drying out your face. And I think जिसको मैंने recommend करा है, they have fell in love with this face wash. Such an amazing formulation, such an amazing face wash. Highly recommended. If you haven't tried this yet, try this one once. I'm sure you're not going back to any other cleanser. So yeah, those were top 5 for 2024. ऐसे तो और बहुत सारे हैं which I really wanted to show in this video, but let's show them in the best of 2024 वाला video. तो but if you wanted to try any of these products, I have given the link in the description. Do check it out, and if you wanted to avail additional discount, you can use Bhavna 2024 for 20% off. Link in the description, and do share your feedback in the comment section अगर इसमें से आपने कोई भी product try करा है. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.